everybody and welcome back to our channel. I'm Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be going over vertical addition. So before we get started, let's go ahead and look at the meaning of some words. So the first word I see is vertical. It says up and down. Usually we're used to seeing problems that go sideways, right? 2 plus 2 equals 4. But now we are going to look at problems that start from top to bottom. The next word is add. Put part and part together to make a whole, right? If you've seen my previous videos, you know that we like to bring our hands out and say part, put them together, make a whole. Our next word is plus, and plus is the addition sign that we use. Here is a plus sign. Equals. Equals means the same value. As you can see, I have an equal sign right here. So if I have 2 gummy bears on this hand and 2 gummy bears on this hand, I can put them together and I have 4. So 2 and 2 is the same thing as having 4. Sum. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. If you can see, I have 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 is my answer, so therefore it is called the sum. Now let's go ahead and take a look at an example. I have 2 purple balloons and 3 blue balloons. I'm used to writing my 2 balloons down here and my 3 balloons over here, right? I add them together, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I write my answer there. So I have 2 plus 3 equals 5. This is how in our past videos we have been writing our addition number sentence. Now, did you know that you can also write it vertically, up and down? Over here, I have set up a vertical addition number sentence. All we have to do is plug in the numbers. So I said that I have 2 purple balloons. So I will write 2 plus, how many blue? 1, 2, 3. So now I have 2 plus 3, and this is my equal sign. When I write it vertically, my equal sign is just one straight line, okay? And I will write my sum, or my answer, under it. So we said that 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this picture problem and write it as a vertical addition number sentence. I have 3 jellyfish and 7 goldfish. How many fish do I have in all? So I'm going to go ahead and write my first part, 3, because I have 3 purple jellyfish at the top. 3 plus 7 goldfish. And now we just add those up. So everybody hold a fist and we will count 7 up. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My answer is 10. Or my sum is 10. For this example, I have 4 red apples and 4 green apples. How many apples do I have in all? Let's go ahead and write our first part, 4 for the red apples. 4 red apples plus how many green? 4. Good. So 4 red apples plus 4 green apples equals how many? Okay, so hold up 4 fingers and jump up 4 more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My answer is 8. And my answer is also called the sum. Okay, so at the playground I have 5 bouncy balls and 4 jump ropes. How much playground equipment do I have in all? Let's go ahead and write our first part, which is 5 for the bouncy balls. I'm going to write that right here. 5. And how many jump ropes? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is my second part. So I have 5 plus 4 equals, what is my sum? Let's go ahead and hold up a fist and say 5 and jump up 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My sum is 9. Okay, so now that we've gone over a few picture problems, let's go ahead and take a look at some word problems. This word problem says There are 3 friends on the swings. 1 friend is on the slide. How many friends are there in all? So remember, I like to go back and circle what I already know. I know that how many friends are on the swings? 3. Good. So I'm going to circle 3 friends. 1 friend is on the slide. How many friends are on the slide? 1. Good. So I'm going to circle 1 friend. How many friends are there in all? Remember, I always like to underline my question because it allows me to focus on it, okay? And in all means to add. Very good. So here I have my vertical addition number sentence set up already. A number or a part plus another part equals what? So I have 3 and 1. I'm going to add 3 and 1. Those are my 2 parts. So 3 plus 1 equals, let's see what the sum is. Hold up 3 and jump up 1. 3, 4. Good. So my answer, or my sum, is 4. Let's go ahead and take a look at another example. It says, there are 7 frogs swimming in the pond. 2 frogs are resting on a rock. How many frogs are there in all? So I want to take what I already know. How many frogs are swimming in the pond? 7. Good. So let's go ahead and circle 7. 7 frogs. 2 frogs are resting on a rock. How many frogs are resting on a rock? 2. Very good. So I'm going to circle 2 frogs. Now I want to know how many frogs are there in all. And in all means to add. Good. So let's go ahead and take our 2 parts and put them together to make a whole. My 2 parts are 7 and 2. So let's go ahead and hold up a fist and say 7 and jump up 2. Ready? 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9 is my sum. Okay, time for another example. So this one says, there are 8 friends eating cheese pizza. There are 0 friends eating pepperoni pizza. How many friends are eating pizza in all? So I'm going to go ahead and circle what I already know. I know that how many friends are eating cheese pizza? 8. Very good. Let's circle 8 friends. 0 friends are eating pepperoni pizza. How many friends are eating pepperoni pizza? 0. How many friends are eating pizza in all? Remember, I am going to underline my question to better focus on it. And I already know that in all means to add. So I'm going to set up my addition number sentence. I have it right here, and it's going vertically, right? Up and down. So 8 friends plus 0 friends equals how many total? What is my sum? Let's go ahead and hold a fist and say 8 and jump up 0. 8. Oh, that's right. 0 means none. So my answer is just 8. I did not add any more friends, right? Because 0 means none. So my answer to 8 plus 0 is 8. And if you remember, the secret to adding 0 is that when you add 0 to a number, the answer or the sum is that number. Okay, so something big that you want to take out of this is that adding horizontally and vertically is pretty much the same thing. Okay, here I have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Over here, I have 3 plus 2 equals 5. The only difference really is that they just look different. My equal sign has 2 small lines. Here it has 1 big line. Here we're going side to side. Here we're going up and down. Other than that, it really is just the same thing, guys. So that wraps up today's lesson on vertical addition. I hope that you guys found this lesson very useful. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!